To make the curry, first I need to saute some ingredients. Press saute. And normal is already chosen. That's for regular browning. Now the display shows hot. That means we can start to cook. Pour a few tablespoons of oil in. I'll put in some whole spices. Now I'll add onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Saute until golden brown. While you're sauteing, you can change the setting to more, which I've just done because I do have a lot of onions and I want them to cook faster. Keep pressing saute to choose less, normal, or more. When you're using the saute function, it's just like using a regular pot on the stove. And the amount of time to saute these onions will be the same, whether it's on the stovetop or in the Instant Pot. When using the saute function, don't put the lid on. You can, however, use a glass lid with a venting hole. The onions are done. Now I'll turn the saute to normal. And it'll also display the time that's left in the saute mode. The max is 30 minutes. I'll put my ground spices in. Chopped tomatoes. Cook this until the tomatoes are soft. If you have a glass lid with a vent hole, this would be the time to use it. It'll just help the tomatoes cook a lot faster. The tomatoes are soft, now we can add some water and the chicken. It's recommended to add at least 1 cup of water or other liquid so there's enough steam to cook under pressure. I'll add 2 cups. If there are any brown bits on the bottom, just scrape it all up. Now I'll add the chicken. You want to go only up to the max line. This is a whole chicken cut up and marinated. I'll put a little bit more water, maybe half a cup. So total 2.5 cups of water. In a stovetop pressure cooker, I would put water just to cover the chicken, so I'm doing the same here. The amount of chicken in here right now is about 2.5 pounds, a little over 1 kilo. Now I want to hit cancel to turn the saute function off. Lock the lid, turn the steam release handle to ceiling, press pressure cook. The default is high for the pressure and normal. And set the time to 10 minutes. The cycle's ended, I'm gonna hit cancel. Use the quick release method. The float valve has dropped down, now we can open the lid. The meat is cooked. If you want to reduce the liquid of any dish that you've just cooked, press saute. I'll choose more and cook this down to the consistency you'd like. I'll add a little bit more salt. The liquid has reduced and I've pressed the cancel button. I'll add some chopped cilantro. And the chicken curry is ready. The meat is incredibly soft and delicious. After the unit goes into keep warm mode, it'll stay on for 10 hours and then turn off. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Wipe the inside of the unit and outside down with a damp cloth and dry. Although this Instant Pot is compact, it still cooks enough food for about 4 people. Unless you have a very big family, this Instant Pot should be enough for your cooking needs. If you want to try this mini out, I've put a link in the description below. Subscribe so you can reviews of products that you use every day before you buy them. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.